Political activity law is a combination of campaign finance, election law, lobbyist regulation, and government ethics. It's really all about persuasion and influence. If you're trying to persuade a voter or influence public policy or convince a public official, then these laws apply to you. And they require you to register, keep records, file reports. They limit or in some cases prohibit the sources or amounts of your funding. And they can restrict the timing and the content of your communications to certain people. My clients are corporations with PACs and lobbyists, state and federal candidates, and politically oriented nonprofit organizations. These are people who are concerned about law and policy. They have messages that they want to deliver, and they're very passionate about those messages. I help them deliver their messages to the people that want to hear them. And what that involves is putting them in the right organizational vehicle, sending them down the right path, and helping them deliver their messages in a way that complies with all the laws and regulations. You have one set of laws at the federal level, 50 different sets of laws at the state level, and now we're even seeing local laws on these issues. My clients are active all across the country, in all 50 states, at every level of government, federal, state, and local. A huge part of what I do is educating them, helping them understand that actions trigger regulation. And so before we take certain action, we take a minute to assess the consequences of the action, and then we make an informed decision. My job is to minimize the burden of regulations on my clients by helping them understand those regulations, get comfortable with them, and incorporate them into their daily practices. And what that allows us to do is then move their messages to the people who need to hear them faster and cheaper and cleaner. That's what my law firm is all about. That's all I do, the regulation of politics, and I focus very sharply on it.